So this is Lodgepole. This is site 121. Huge amount of space. Place for tents way up there. Very, very private. Then there's this entire empty space. So, where's our little, oh, here's number 22. Awesome site. Beautiful backdrop of the forest. An awesome fire pit. Just look at this. Then, a little tight for 2 tents. We moved the picnic table over and we put 1 tent here and 1 tent here. And then, because this is serious bear country, there is a bear lodge. Now, down there is nice because that has so much space for a large group. That, I think, is campsite 23. Although if you want something kind of secluded, big enough for maybe 4 people, campsite 22 is good, 122. And this campsite is absolutely massive. Campsite 25 is big. Campsite 27, no. It's campsite 26 and 27. I don't know how they look, but what I do know is that they are on, and this is campsite 28. I don't really know where it is, but the point is, oh, I see. These campsites sit on this beautiful river that you get to hear. So let's hear the river. Not bad for a view and have a campsite over the river. Now, could bears come up on you from this? I suppose so, but no different than the mountain we slept against. Just look at how gorgeous this place is. As you could see, they have their camp. Excuse me, what campsite number are you? Oh man, you scored. That's a really nice one. Okay, so that is campsite 124. Totally amazing. 124. I don't know. I know that's 123 and that's 124. Totally amazing campsites. So in Lodge Pine, it makes all the difference in the world what campsite you're at. All campsites have a moderate bathroom with flushing toilets, and totally fine in that department. However, if you want to take a shower, you have to drive to the visitor center, or at least we have to drive because we are so far away. Just look at this place. So hopefully that's a little bit of a review to give you an idea of, I really like 124, 123, 122, and 121 for not only hearing the river, and 124 is on the river, but very private. Now like 132 here is on the river, but notice they start to lack some privacy because they're not as tucked away. All of these campsites though on the back loop are absolutely extraordinary. Now, I might show I might show some campsites in the front of the Lodgepole Campsite area that are not that great. They're right near parking lots. They're near where people are driving 20 miles per hour, flashing their lights. There's nothing nice or private about them. So in booking campsites, if you can, just scope out the best campsites, and to get an idea is great. Now they have bear boxes on all the sites. Here I am at the Lodgepole Visitor Center, and they have everything in here. Gift shops, market, laundry, showers, bathrooms, restaurant, cafe, everything that you need. It's nowhere near your campsite. You do have to drive here, but it's actually a really nice little resource center, and it's very friendly and fun. And again, this is the most beautiful place, beautiful campground I've ever seen. Plant a sequoia. Oh, those are very cool. Very cool. Food. They even had Starbucks. So, yeah. Let's take a look at what the view is just outside of the visitor center. Absolutely stunning. Just in the parking lot. The campsites you have to drive into. Our campsite was probably about at least 3/4 of a mile down that street. So you do have to come all the way out here to get the shower and the resources and the market. But actually, really nice setup. Definitely well worth it. This has been the most amazing campsite I've ever been to. And next, we are heading to Joshua Tree. So this has been an incredible visit to Sequoia National Park, and mostly this Lodgepole campsite is amazing.